Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is query, static query, dynamic query, subquery. Query is a request for data or information from a database. This is a statement written to fetch the records from database based on organization business requirement. For example, write a simple query to fetch name fields from account object. Select name from account. Output will be Aman, Raman and so many records. Static query. Field object condition are fixed, then we go for static query. For example, write a query to fetch ID name fields from account object. List of account, LST account, select ID, name from account where name equals to Aman. System.debug LST account for displaying the records. Output will be account ID, name equals to Aman. Dynamic query. When field object change from condition to condition, go for dynamic query. For example, write a query to fetch the record where name is Aman. String str name equals to Aman. List of account LST account. Select name from account where name equals to str name. System.debug LST account. It is for displaying the data output account ID name equals to Aman. Subquery. A subquery is query nested inside select, insert, update or delete statement or inside another subquery. Write a query account records which are associated with contacts. Select name, select first name from contacts. Yes. From account, output would be edge communication, first name rows. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we need to open developer console. Here I had created task.vfp task visual force page. In this page I commented and pasted all the presentation queries here. First query is write a simple query to fetch name field from account object. So I am going to write this query in query editor. Just I am going to click on query editor and simply pasting this query and clicking on execute. Here I am getting all the records related to name field in account object. These many records are there. Second static query is write a query to fetch ID name fields from account object. For this I am just copying this query, clicking on debug, open execute anonymous window, pasting this query, list of account LST account, select ID name from account where name equals to Aman. System.debug LST account. Click on execute. Click on debug only. Here I am getting the ID and name. Third one is dynamic query. Write a query to fetch the record where name is Aman. So for this I am just copying this query, opening debug, open execute anonymous window and pasting this query. String str name equals to Aman. List of account LST account equals to select name from account where name equals to str name. System.debug LST account. It is for displaying the data. Just I am selecting these three lines and clicking on execute highlighted. Clicking on debug only. Here I am getting the result name Aman and ID. Subquery. Write a query account records which are associated with contacts. So for this I am writing the query in query editor. Select name, select first name from contacts from account. Clicking on execute. This edge communication is related with contact first name rows. Thank you.